welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I know I've been gone for a while. I haven't posted for a week now. That's because my phone was kind of having some technical difficulties, and that's what I used to edit my videos, but that is all sorted now. So I decided to film this really simple look for you guys. This is like, can you guys even tell I have makeup on? So I decided to do my updated everyday makeup look. This is like a makeup no makeup look because it literally looks like I don't have any makeup on. Let me zoom in so you guys can really see what I'm talking about. Do you guys see this? Look at this. This looks like my skin. It looks like I do not have any makeup on. If you want to see how to achieve this look, you know, this skin like no makeup look, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna make sure our face is nice and moisturized because you can't have your face dry if you're trying to achieve this natural glowy no makeup look. So first I'm gonna be using a cream highlighter because I don't want to put too much powder on my face, so I won't use any other highlighter later on. So we're just gonna put that cream highlighter where we would normally highlight. Okay, so now we're gonna get our foundation, and you don't even need that much of this. You're gonna just use a couple of pumps, and what you want to do is basically just even out your face. And as you can see around my cheek area, I have the most pimples or like dark spots, so that's the part that I want to start off with, so I can just even that out so it's the same color as the rest of my face. And that's what you're basically gonna do. You don't need that much foundation. You don't need the foundation all over your face. You're just gonna put the foundation only in the places that you need to put foundation. Okay, so as you can see, our face is looking more even now. So now what we're gonna do is just basically get our sponge and just blend everywhere else just a little bit, so around my mouth, and just basically using the sponge. Like, we're not even taking any more foundation, we're just using that sponge and just blending a little bit everywhere. Okay, so once we're done, we're gonna get our Fenty Beauty Concealer, and I'm just gonna warm it up on the back of my hand, and then we're just gonna use the sponge again, and we're gonna put a little bit under my eyes just to kind of cancel out any darkness underneath there. Once we're done, we're gonna get our MAC powder, and we're just basically going to, you know, just set everything in place. We don't want it to move. Even if it's tiny, you still have to set it because you don't want a greasy, oily mess. That's not what we don't want that. So we just want to make sure everything is set in place. We're just using that powder to set all over our face because I didn't want to use any white powder, because right now I hardly have anything on my face and that will just not look good. Alright, so now we're just going to warm up our face just a little bit using that brown, that dark brown, and then we're just gonna warm up our cheeks a little bit. Okay, so once we're done, we're just gonna put on some mascara. So I was initially gonna put on some false lashes, but I ended up changing my mind because they look too dramatic. Okay, so once we're done with our mascara, we're just gonna spray our faces. It's what's gonna give us that dewy, natural, glowing skin. So just put that. You don't really need that much because there's hardly anything on your face, and you're just gonna grab your sponge and just press that in. And now we're getting our popo for our lips, and then yeah, we're just gonna apply that on, and we're basically done. Okay guys, so this is the final look and I'm loving it, okay? Because this looks like my skin. It doesn't look like I have any foundation on. It doesn't look like I'm even wearing any makeup. Let me zoom in so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Do you guys see this? Look at this. This looks like my skin, you guys, doesn't it? Okay guys, so this is the end of today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment in the comment sections, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye, see you guys next time.